In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate Hostinger access in just 3 minutes. Whether you're managing multiple websites or simply need to share access with a colleague, granting Hostinger access is a straightforward process that can save you time and improve team collaboration. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Hostinger website. This is where all the magic begins, so open up your favorite web browser and type in hostinger.com. Once you're on the main Hostinger page, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Give that button a click to proceed to the login page. If you're not already logged in, this is your cue to enter your credentials. It's important to ensure your login details are correct to avoid unnecessary delays. If you've forgotten your password, there's always a recovery option available, so don't stress too much about that. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger home interface. This is your control hub where you'll manage all of your website related tasks. From here, locate and click on the Websites tab. It's your gateway to accessing all the websites under your management. Now once you're on the websites page, you'll see a list of all the websites linked to your account. Beside each one there will be a small 3-dot icon. This is your access point to more options and settings for each website. Click on the 3-dot icon next to the website for which you want to delegate access. After clicking, you'll see a list of options pop up. Among them will be Grant Access. This is the option you're looking for. Click on Grant Access and a new window or panel will appear, allowing you to input the email address of the person you'd like to grant access to. Take a moment here to double check the email address you enter. It's crucial to ensure it's correctly typed to enable seamless access for the person you're granting permissions to. Typos can lead to incorrect access being granted, which isn't something we want. Finally, click on the Grant Access button again to confirm the delegation. Hostinger will take care of the rest, verifying the process and sending the necessary access credentials to the designated email. And there you have it, granting access on Hostinger is genuinely that simple. With these steps, you can seamlessly share access with team members or collaborators, ensuring everyone who needs it can efficiently manage the website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your online presence more effectively. Happy hosting!